The future of reality just got a new name. Samsung and Google have finally revealed the long-awaited Galaxy XR, the first-ever Android-powered mixed reality headset. And it's not just gunning for Apple's Vision Pro, it's aiming to redefine how we see, work, and live inside digital space. For $1,800, just over half the cost of Apple's Vision Pro, the Galaxy XR brings premium design, powerhouse specs, and a bold vision for the Android XR era. This is Samsung's biggest leap into immersive computing yet, and it's built in collaboration with Google and Qualcomm. At its core is Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip, engineered specifically for spatial performance. The micro-OLED displays pack a jaw-dropping 29 million pixels, with richer colors than Apple's Vision Pro, 96% of the DCI P3 gamut to be exact. The resolution? 3552 by 3840 per eye. And while Apple's headset reaches 120 Hz, Samsung's tops out at 90. But that's hardly a deal-breaker when everything else looks this crisp. Weighing only 545 grams, the Galaxy XR is significantly lighter than Apple's 750-gram Vision Pro. It's ergonomically balanced, designed to spread pressure evenly across your head, with a detachable light shield that lets you block out the world. Battery life lands around 2 hours of use or 2.5 hours of video playback, matching Apple's first-gen promises. Connectivity? The latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for ultra-smooth streaming and control. But here's where things get interesting. At the heart of Galaxy XR is Google's Gemini AI, a built-in assistant that turns the headset into your personal command center. You can open apps, rearrange virtual screens, or explore 3D maps just by asking. And yes, every Google Play Store app runs out of the box. Watch movies in a 4K virtual theater, scroll through spatial photos in Google Photos, edit 3D videos with Adobe's Project Pulsar, or jump into VR titles like NFL Pro Era and Inside Job from Alchemy Labs. Even sports fans get multi-view action from MLB and Fox Sports. The Galaxy XR isn't just a headset, it's the beginning of an Android XR ecosystem. Google and Samsung are already teaming up with Warby Parker to build Android-powered smart glasses. So this isn't just competition, it's a declaration that the Android universe is stepping fully into mixed reality, powered by AI, not just hardware. For $1,800, you get the Galaxy XR plus an Explorer pack with a year of Google AI Pro, YouTube Premium, Google Play Pass, and exclusive apps like Calm, Project Pulsar, and NFL Pro Era. It's Samsung's boldest entry into a world where screens don't just sit in front of you, they surround you. The Galaxy XR is here, lighter, smarter, and powered by AI. This isn't just Android in 3D, it's Android in reality.